So then the pièce de résistance, I thought, okay, I've walked a little bit now, let's run. So I created this guy. He's a gargoyle. And here is a bigger version of him. And the funny thing is I was waiting for 2 days to get some gray filament, because I didn't get some originally with my first order because they were out, because I wanted to print him in gray. And then I finally got the gray filament, and I wanted to print to see if it would work, and I chose white, like an idiot. So I wasted a couple hours of him printing white. But at least I was able to find out then that it works, because there's lots of overhangs. You can see it better on this one. But there's lots of overhangs, like his little beard and even his hand, his wings, of course, where things called supports have to be printed that hold that up, because the printer can't just print in air. And then you have to be able to take them off. But the fun and fascinating thing about this, which is why I'm saying it's my run, not walk, is I completely created this, well, me and AI, myself. What I did was I got into ChatGPT and I gave it textual instructions to create a picture of, because I think, well, it doesn't matter. I was going to say, I think that's all ChatGPT can do is create a picture. I don't think it can do a video or a three-dimensional, but it might be able to. But I did ChatGPT and textual and basically told it to create a gargoyle in a resin-looking statue. And it came back with a really super sinister one, even more sinister than this, in full color, like a photograph. And so I revised the ChatGPT script and said, make it one color, make him less sinister, and make it more 3D. And so it came up with a photo of this, which I will post now in this video. And then I said, okay, ChatGPT, that's great. Show me what he would look like from behind. And so they did another picture of what he would look like from behind, with his wings and his back and the spine and the tail. And then I went to this other program called Hitem3DAI. And your trial version, you got a few credits where you can just experiment. And so I told it to take these two pictures where I uploaded the front and the back and create a 3D model suitable for printing. And it did. And I downloaded the model, and that's brought it into my what's called the slicer for my program. Changed the size, picked the colors, and printed. And he turned out amazing. And so he's the only one like it in the world. And I think that's just absolutely wild. AI isn't quite there yet for medicine, as we all know from my debacle 2 years ago. But apparently for playing around like this, he is. It is. So that's my fun so far. Here it is, by the way, with the supports that have to be removed.